Let's talk about linear regression in the simplest way. Imagine we want to predict exam scores based on study hours. Here's our data. 1 hour, 20 marks, 2 hours, 40 marks, 3 hours, 60 marks, 4 hours, 80 marks, and 5 hours, 100 marks. You can already see the pattern. The more hours someone studies, the higher their score tends to be. Now, what linear regression does is try to capture this relationship in the form of a straight line. The model learns two things: the slope, which tells us how much the score increases for every extra study hour, and the intercept, which is the score when hours are 0. Once it learns those values, it gives us an equation like y r mx plus c, where y is the score, x is the hours studied, m is the slope, and c is the intercept. Let's try it out. We train a linear regression model with this data. Now, if I ask, what happens if someone studies for 6 hours? The model uses that equation and predicts a score of around 120 marks. That's the power of turning data into a formula. We can now predict for new situations. And here's the visualization. The blue dots are our actual data points, hours studied versus exam scores. The red line is the best fit line chosen by linear regression. Notice how it cuts right through the middle of the points, not perfectly on every dot, but in such a way that the overall error is as small as possible. That's why it's called the best fit line. So, in summary, linear regression takes data, finds the best straight line relationship, and uses that line to make predictions. Whether it's predicting exam scores, house prices, or business sales, this same simple idea works. And that's linear regression in 2 minutes.